Imagine waking up tomorrow morning and discovering your entire home is cleaner without lifting a single finger while you slept. Sounds impossible, right? Well, I'm Marcus, and I'm about to show you exactly how to make this happen. You're going to learn 7 incredible cleaning methods that work while you rest, meaning less effort for you and a spotless home for your family to enjoy. Before we jump in, if you're new to Seniors Cleaning Hacks, please hit that subscribe button right now. We're building a community of smart people who refuse to spend their entire weekend scrubbing and cleaning. Share this video with someone you know who needs a break from exhausting housework. Let's make cleaning easier for everyone. My name is Marcus, and I've dedicated my life to finding shortcuts and clever solutions that actually work. I'm not someone who enjoys spending hours with cleaning supplies and sore muscles. Instead, I've learned that the smartest approach is letting time and chemistry do the hard work, while you sleep, relax, or spend time with loved ones. So if you haven't subscribed yet, do it now. Drop a like on this video to let me know you're enjoying these hacks, and stick around because these methods will absolutely change your cleaning routine. Now, let me get straight to it. Here are 7 powerful overnight cleaning methods that will transform your home while you're dreaming.
Hack number 1. Steam power your microwave overnight. Your microwave gets used multiple times every single day, and it accumulates grease, splatters, and stubborn gunk that seems impossible to remove. But here's the secret that professional cleaners don't want you to know. You can make your microwave practically clean itself overnight using nothing more than a lemon, water, and the power of steam. Here's exactly what you do. Find a microwave-safe bowl or mug that you don't mind getting wet. Take a fresh lemon and cut it in half. Squeeze the juice into the bowl, then drop the actual lemon half inside as well. Now fill that bowl about 3/4 of the way with plain water. Place it carefully in your microwave and set it to run for approximately 3 minutes. What's happening inside that microwave is pure magic. The water heats up and creates steam, and that lemon juice releases natural oils and acids that work together to loosen all the grime that's stuck to the walls. When the microwave beeps, you'll have the urge to open the door immediately. Don't do it. This is the most important part. Leave that microwave completely sealed and untouched for the entire night. While you're sleeping, all of that moisture stays trapped inside, continuing to work and soften every crusty spot, every greasy buildup, every piece of stuck-on food. The next morning, when you finally open that door, you'll see the inside is damp and steamy. Grab a soft microfiber cloth, add a tiny bit of dish soap and water, and start wiping. The mess comes off easily with minimal scrubbing. If there are really stubborn spots, you can use a magic eraser or even a soft sponge. You won't believe how much easier this is compared to attacking it when everything is dry and hardened. This single hack saves you probably 30 minutes of frustrating scrubbing.
Hack number 2. Refresh your mattress while you're away. Here's something that most people never think about, and honestly, it's kind of gross when you do. Scientists have calculated that the average adult sweats between 1 and 2 cups every single night while sleeping. Now, multiply that by 7 nights a week, by 52 weeks a year, and by however many years you've owned that mattress. Your mattress has absorbed an enormous amount of moisture, dead skin cells, bacteria, and who knows what else. This is exactly why you need to give your mattress a proper refresh. And the beautiful part is that you can do this while you're completely away from your bedroom. Before you leave for a trip, or even just before a weekend away, strip all your bedding completely off your mattress. Once it's bare, grab a box of baking soda, the same kind you probably use for baking or for your refrigerator. Sprinkle 1 to 2 full cups of baking soda across the entire surface of your mattress, making sure to cover every single area. Baking soda is absolutely incredible at absorbing odors. It's been used for decades by professional cleaners and hotels because it works. Once you've sprinkled it on, just leave it there. Don't try to work it in or disturb it. Just let it sit and do its job while you're gone. Whether you return the next day or a week later, your mattress will have been treated to an overnight refresh that works wonders. When you come back, grab your vacuum cleaner and make sure you're using a clean vacuum head attachment. Start vacuuming up all that baking soda. You'll need to go over it several times because baking soda is very fine and leaves residue behind. But trust me, this extra effort is completely worth it. Once you've thoroughly vacuumed your mattress and put fresh sheets back on, you'll notice an incredible difference. Your mattress will feel rejuvenated, it will smell fresher, and it will feel like brand new.
Hack number 3. Eliminate pet accidents with enzyme cleaners. If you have pets in your home, then you know that accidents happen. Maybe your dog had an accident on the carpet, your cat knocked over something on the rug, or your beloved pet got sick on your favorite pillow. These situations are stressful, smelly, and seem nearly impossible to fix completely. This is where enzyme cleaners become your absolute best friend. Enzyme cleaners are specially formulated products that contain live enzymes. These enzymes break down the actual proteins and bacteria that cause those awful odors. Unlike regular cleaners that just mask the smell, enzymes actually eliminate the problem at its source. The trick is that they need time to work, and that's exactly what overnight gives you. When an accident happens, your first step is simple. Use paper towels or cloth to blot up as much of the mess as you can. Don't rub or scrub because that spreads the stain deeper into the fabric. Just gently press down and absorb what you can. Once you've done that, apply a pet enzyme cleaner according to the instructions on the bottle. Here's the crucial part that makes this an overnight hack. The area needs to stay wet for the enzymes to work effectively. This is a fact that many people don't realize. If the area dries out, the enzymes can't do their job. So after applying the enzyme cleaner, take some plastic wrap and cover the treated area completely. Use tape around the edges to seal it and prevent the moisture from evaporating. Then simply leave it overnight while you sleep. The enzymes work through the night, breaking down the proteins and odor-causing bacteria that are trapped in the carpet or fabric. In the morning, remove the plastic wrap and clean the area with a cloth and a bit of water. You'll be absolutely amazed at how much better the stain looks and how much the smell has improved. Your results will be noticeably better than if you had tried to clean it immediately.
Hack number 4. Make your oven racks sparkle effortlessly. Oven racks might be one of the most dreaded cleaning jobs in any kitchen. They're large, awkwardly shaped, coated with baked-on gunk and grease, and they seem to fight back every time you try to clean them. Most people either skip cleaning them entirely or spend hours on their hands and knees scrubbing like crazy. But there's a much smarter way. You can make your oven racks practically clean themselves with the help of some dishwasher detergent and hot water. This is the easy method that every smart person should know about. Find a bathtub or a large basin that you can dedicate to cleaning for an evening. Fill it with hot water. The hotter the better because you want that detergent to dissolve completely. Take 3 dishwasher detergent pods and drop them into the hot water. These pods are designed to break down grease and gunk in your dishwasher, and they work exactly the same way on your oven racks, maybe even better because they have more time to work. Now carefully place your oven racks into the bathtub. Make sure they're completely submerged in the water with the dissolved detergent. Leave them there overnight. While you're sleeping peacefully, the chemistry of the dishwasher detergent is working hard, breaking down and loosening every bit of buildup on those racks. The hot water and powerful detergent work together to attack the grease and baked-on food. In the morning, put on some rubber gloves and grab a regular sponge. You don't need any special tools or abrasive scrubbers. Just wipe the racks with your sponge and watch as all that gunk comes off with barely any effort. The heavy lifting has all been done overnight. After wiping them down, rinse them thoroughly under clean water and put them back in your oven. Your racks will look dramatically better, and you'll have spent maybe 2 minutes actually working.
Hack number 5. Unclog your showerhead with vinegar overnight. There's nothing more frustrating than stepping into the shower, turning on the water, and finding that it's spraying in weird directions. Some nozzles are shooting water out at odd angles, and you realize that your once perfect shower experience has been ruined by mineral buildup and hard water deposits. Your shower head can get clogged with white or orange crusty deposits that are actually mineral buildup from hard water. It sounds like a complicated problem, but the solution is surprisingly simple and something you can do overnight. You need a thick plastic bag, like a gallon-sized Ziploc bag or any thick plastic freezer bag. Fill this bag about halfway with white vinegar. If you can find cleaning vinegar at your local store, that's even better because it has a higher concentration of acetic acid and works more effectively. Regular white vinegar from your kitchen works fine too. Once your bag is filled with vinegar, carefully position your shower head so that the nozzles are pointing downward into the vinegar-filled bag. Secure the bag around your shower head using an elastic band or even a rubber band. Make sure the seal is tight enough that the bag won't slip off during the night. Then just leave it hanging there overnight. While you sleep, the vinegar is dissolving the mineral deposits that are clogging your shower head. The acetic acid in the vinegar reacts with the mineral buildup and breaks it down. This is why vinegar has been used as a natural cleaner for hundreds of years. In the morning, carefully remove the bag and pour out the vinegar. Take a soft toothbrush, the kind you might use for cleaning, and gently brush away any remaining crusty bits. Rinse your shower head thoroughly under hot water. Now turn on your shower and experience the joy of perfect water pressure and even spray. It's going to feel incredible, and you accomplished it with almost zero effort. Hack number 6. Revive dingy and smelly clothes with oxygen bleach. We all have clothes that we struggle with. Maybe you have towels that have become dingy and gray despite washing them repeatedly. Perhaps you have dishcloths that smell sour no matter how many times you launder them. You might have gym clothes that hold on to odor, or socks that have permanent stains on the bottom that won't budge no matter what you do. Oxygen bleach, which is sometimes called OxyCleaner, is a game changer for these situations. It's safer than chlorine bleach. It won't damage most fabrics, and it works overnight to restore color and eliminate stubborn odors. Fill a bucket with hot water. If you have a lot of items to clean, use your bathtub instead. Add a scoop of oxygen bleach powder to the water. Follow the instructions on your specific product for the correct amount, but generally, start with 1 or 2 scoops for a bucket and adjust if you need more. Drop all your problem clothes and textiles into the water. This includes the dingy towels, the smelly dishcloths, the stained socks, and those gym clothes that won't lose their odor. Just let everything soak overnight. It's doing absolutely no work on your part. The oxygen bleach is working through the night, breaking down the stains, lifting the color back into your fabrics, and eliminating the bacteria that cause odors. In the morning, take everything out of the water and launder it as you normally would. Wash it with your regular detergent, rinse it, and dry it. The results are going to blow your mind. Those dingy towels are suddenly bright and vibrant again. The smell is completely gone from your dishcloths. Your socks look like new. You're going to be so excited that you want to take a picture and send it to your friends. And all you did was let things soak overnight. This is literally easy work that's done while you sleep with almost no effort at all.
Hack number 7. Freshen your drain and prevent plumbing problems. Your kitchen sink or bathroom drain can start smelling awful, or you might notice that water is draining more slowly than it used to. Before you call a professional plumber and spend a bunch of money, you should try this simple overnight method that works surprisingly well. Measure out half a cup of baking soda and pour it directly down the drain. You don't need to add any water, just pour the dry baking soda and let it fall down into the drain. Now leave it there overnight. While you're sleeping, the baking soda is working to deodorize the drain and break down buildup that's causing odors and slow drainage. In the morning, boil some water and pour it down the drain. Follow that with white vinegar poured directly into the drain. When the hot water and vinegar meet the baking soda, you'll hear a fizzing and bubbling sound. That's the chemical reaction that's happening, and it's breaking down the debris and buildup. Let that sit for a few minutes, then run hot water through the drain for several minutes to flush everything down. This method won't solve every plumbing problem, especially if you have a serious clog or damaged pipes, but it works wonderfully for maintaining healthy drains and keeping them from smelling bad.
In fact, you can do this method once a month as regular maintenance to keep your drains fresh and running smoothly. It's a preventative measure that takes almost no time, but provides real benefits. If you continue having problems after trying this method, that's the signal that you genuinely need to call in a professional plumber. But this trick saves many people from unnecessary plumber bills.
Bringing it all together, you now have 7 powerful, tested methods that you can use to get significant cleaning done around your home while you're sleeping. These aren't tricks or gimmicks. These are science-based methods that work because you're leveraging time, chemistry, and natural reactions that happen when the right ingredients combine. The beauty of these hacks is that they require very little of your time or effort. You spend maybe 5 to 10 minutes setting them up, and then you get to sleep while they work. You wake up to a cleaner home without spending your evening or weekend stuck in cleaning mode. I want to remind you to share this video with someone in your life who's tired of spending their weekends cleaning. Subscribe to Seniors Cleaning Hacks if you haven't already, because we're constantly sharing methods and tips that make your life easier. Leave a comment below and tell me which of these 7 hacks you're most excited to try. I read every single comment, and I'd love to know what's going to work best for you. Also, if you want expert-backed product recommendations and cleaning tips delivered to you, be sure to check out our community newsletter, where I share the latest and greatest ways to keep your home fresh and clean without breaking your back. Before you go, remember that other things grow overnight too, like mold and mildew. If you're concerned about mold in your home, we have another video coming up that shows you exactly how to prevent it and handle it if it appears, so stick around for that. Thanks so much for watching Seniors Cleaning Hacks. I'm Marcus, and I'll see you next time with more smart solutions that make cleaning easier.